Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a facial roller easily and properly. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to adjust the camera angle upwards a little bit like this so you can get a better view of my face. Now, you can use any facial roller, but this is the one that I've chosen. Okay, this is actually the new one that I got for my wife recently. It's called the Finishing Touch Flawless Contour, okay? But there are so many different kinds. As long as the stone on the roller is good quality, you're good to go. Now, I do recommend that you make the stone nice and cold, so try and maybe refrigerate it even for 5 or 10 minutes before you use it. It will do a better job at rolling that blood flow in your face properly to sort of get rid of the puffiness and get some extra circulation amongst your face. So let's get right into the video. First and foremost, the first thing that you want to do is apply a facial moisturizer. When you put a moisturizer on your face, it's going to help the facial roller glide over your face and roll properly. You don't want it to be moving things like this, right? You don't want anything like that. But by applying a moisturizer, it's going to glide over your skin, okay? I've already applied a moisturizer about 15 minutes ago. I should have probably applied it sooner, like closer to doing this, but it's okay. I would recommend applying the moisturizer like a few minutes before you do it, but totally fine. 50 minutes is still within a good time frame, okay? For the facial roller to glide over your face. So I have some notes over here, that's why I'm glancing over here, just to keep myself on track, okay? So what you want to do, start from the bottom of your neck and you're going to work your way up your face. You're not going to do the entire height of from your neck to the top of your head in one go. You're going to work your way up slowly like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll upwards almost every single spot. I'll tell you where to not roll upwards in a moment. But from the bottom of your neck, you're going to roll upwards like that. So I just like to start off with my neck first, just like that. Roll it upwards to your jawline. Does a great job at starting to promote that blood flow, moving all that liquid, moving it to where it needs to go. Okay, you want to promote blood flow on your face. It's good for your body. It's healthy overall. Then you're going to continue working your way up. What you do want to avoid is going back and forth. Okay, so you do want to avoid going back and forth. You don't want to go like this because you're just moving the blood back and forth. You don't want that, right? You want to avoid going back and forth. Just continue working your way upwards in this sense, just like this, okay? Don't go all the way to your eyes, and I'll tell you why in a moment, okay? So continue working your way upward, and just try and stay, a few centimeters away from your eye. Go like right to where your cheekbone is essentially, okay? I'm just gonna glance at my, my notes. You wanna use very little pressure. So you're not like pressing hard. It's just as if you're tapping a button, right? As if you're pushing a button lightly, right? You're like that. You're pushing a light button, even the touch screen. As if you're sliding your finger on the touch screen of your phone. Like that's the pressure that you need, okay? Just like that. Now, where you do want to avoid going upwards is above your eyes and below your eyes. That's because you get a lot of the liquid and water retention accumulating here. You want to pull it away from that zone, not push it towards it, away. So for here, you want to go from the inside out like that, okay? From the inside out like that. Just like that. Same thing above your eyes, right here. From the inside out. You can even start right at your nose bridge right there. From the inside out, okay? And then continue working your way up. Now, if you have hair, you're going to stop there. Luckily for me, I'm bald, so I get to just roll right onto my scalp, which is a huge, like, in my opinion, this is where my baldness allows me to shine. No pun intended. Okay? That's basically it. That is how to use a facial roller easily and properly. What it will do is it will promote the blood flow and circulation in your face. It will reduce your puffiness. It will reduce dark circles. These things are absolutely incredible. Put it in the fridge. Use moisturizer before. Light pressure. Roll upwards. Don't go back and forth. And when you get to above your eyes and below your eyes, roll from the inside out. Horizontally. That's basically it. You should be good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.